When designing complex part studios, the feature list inevitably grows longer as more features are added. Locating specific features for updates or modifications can become cumbersome with a lengthy feature list. Fortunately, Onshape provides tools that assist with filtering and organizing. Folders help organize not only your Documents page, but part studios as well. To add a feature to a folder, right-click the feature name in the feature list and select Add Selection to Folder. Onshape creates a new folder that contains the feature. Expand the folder to see its contents. You can add additional features to the folder by dragging and dropping them onto the folder name or within the folder's contents. Similarly, remove features from the folder by dragging them elsewhere in the features list. To remove all contents from a folder, right-click the folder in the feature list and select Unpack Folder. If you delete a folder before unpacking, you also delete all the features in that folder. Be careful when dragging features into folders, as dependencies can be affected if you insert a feature into a folder higher up in the features list. Folder contents follow the same history-based order as the rest of the feature list. At the top of the feature list is a text field labeled Filter by name or type. As described, this field filters the feature list by the name or type of feature. For example, searching base reveals the initial extrude feature named base, while searching for extrude shows all extrusions in the feature list, regardless of whether they contain the term extrude in their name. Add quotes to the search term to filter for features that match the name. For example, searching extrude 1 with quotes only displays a single feature, while searching for extrude 1 without quotes displays both extrude 1 and extrude 10. Hover over the text field for an extended period to reveal a list of special commands for this filter. Enter Part to filter the feature list by features that apply to that part. Enter Type to filter all features of that type. Enter Name to filter the features by name. Enter Errors to filter features with errors and a matching name. Alternatively, simply enter Errors to view all features with errors. Enter Folder to filter all folders matching the folder name. Enter Variable to filter all variables matching that name, or features that use the variable. The variable filter is case-sensitive.